Hey, what's up guys? It's my YouTube channel which channel name is Technics Channel. In this channel I upload my videos in the different topics of techniques and I provided you the knowledge of techniques. And today our video is going to be interesting, so like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. So let's start our topic. Okay, you notice that most of the case you have the problem of software operating system, install your operating system, most of the also case. So in that case, how you can install your Windows in your laptop or PC? So in that condition you should have to require material that you should have a pendrive and laptop. So you should have a bootable pendrive, which is also known as the Windows pendrive, and in this Windows pendrive we copy the Windows and paste the Windows in this pendrive. So in this video I will teach you to make a pendrive as a bootable pendrive to copy and paste the Windows, and you can easily use of Windows and installing the Windows in your laptop or PC. So let's start our video. After talking about the topic of this video, we should have to move in the main topic, that we should have to make the pendrive as a bootable pendrive. And first of all, we should have to go in a Windows source bar, and here we should have to click, and here we should have to type CMD. You can also type command prompt like here, and here you should have to make a run as administrator, and here I click, and here you should have to click as yes, and here's the result. So here you should have to command one of the most main commands that is very important for to make of this pendrive bootable. So here I will make a command. I will type a command. You should have to type like this: Diskpart. So enter it, and here you can see the Diskpart is executed. And here you should have to type this makes us so the many disks are there in my laptop. There is two disks. One is my hard disk and one is my removable devices like a pen drive and many more orders. So here we should have to select, first of all we should have to select the pen drive. So first of all you should have to install the pen drive, then only here you can get it the pen drive. To determine the pen drive GB, you should have to determine the how much GB is in your pen drive. So I have 32 GB, so it is here you can see the USB drive 29.2 GB or gigabyte, free of 29.2 GB or gigabyte. So you can select the this one that determine that 29 GB is our pen drive, and also it says that pen drive have a 32 GB RAM, 32 GB sizes. So here we should have to select disk 2, which is disk 1, which is our pen drive. There is this little mistake, so I correct it. So here I enter it, and this one is now selected, and you should have to clean it, and So my disk is already clean, so that's why it access is denied. So first of all, I create a partition primary, which makes our pendrive to be of bootable pendrive. So here this part succeed in creating the first specific partition. So here you can see the disk partition says that this part succeed in creating the specified partition. So here you should have to type select partition, little bit mistake, partition 1 and enter it, and it is selected now. And here you should have to format it into ntfs, which is very most important in this bootable progress of making bootable pendrive. So here I am going to format ntfs. So quickly this command you should have to type it, and I have already formatted it as a ntfs, so that's why it doesn't happen. So if you can do it like that, so if selected or not, you can see like this, Here you can see the sign. There is the sign, which means that, which makes us that it is selected now. So last step to make bootable pendrive is to activate it. So it is activate, and it is activated, and we should have to exit it from it, and if we click it and format it, we can get our pendrive as a bootable pendrive. It is pretty simple to make a pendrive as a bootable pendrive. So goodbye. We will meet in another video in another topic. So goodbye, bye bye.